Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life, and feel like sometimes I should change my name because I'm not always just about Pandora. Today we have an unboxing that we're going to do that is from my recent order from Trollbeads. Now I have a very small collection from Trollbeads. It's not very big. The biggest problem is I don't have a store, so I can't like go and see what this stuff looks like. I really just have to rely on online, which is probably a lot better for my wallet because then I'm not tempted. But the email that I just got from Trollbeads was like so tempting, I had to jump right on ordering from Trollbeads. So this is our unboxing. Let's take a look. We have, when we open this, the receipt with my address. Cover that. Oh, there was a gift with purchase, with what I purchased. If you purchased over a certain amount, you got a little like jewelry box. I do already have one of these, so I'm kind of excited to get a different one. This one is more of in a reddish color, and it's kind of like tiered. Right, so you have, open it, you have a spot for bracelets, you have little compartments for charms, and then you have more little compartments for charms. They pack really nicely tight, and then this little strappy thing keeps it shut. So, thank you Trollbeads. Then it says, Trollbeads, the original since 1976. Okay, so that's that. Looks like, here's the package. I'm going to assume they put everything in here, but let's go ahead and take a look. There's some tissue, just throw them on the floor, and a little polishing cloth. And then information if I need to return or exchange, and oh, a little discount code if I want to reorder. Okay, now let's get into the good stuff. They package this so cute. So you have Trollbeads, it's red. Pull the ribbon. Presley's doing the untying of the ribbon. Thanks, Press.
Can I open it and see?
Hold on, we gotta open it so everyone can see, okay? All right. Their boxes are pretty unique. I just kind of squeezed it. This like kind of extends like that. And then in here, we have some pouches.
I want to see too.
Look in there, Press.
Ooh.
Ooh. Okay, you know what's really cool? Anytime I have ever ordered from Trollbeads, which is not that often, their pouch is black. And this one is more like a reddish burgundy color. So that's cool. We have one pouch. We have another pouch. And then, is that it? No. I actually kind of forgot what I've ordered already. 3 pouches. All right. Cute little box. Love it, Trollbeads. We will start with this one since it is first. And take a look. Oh yes, okay. We got a moonstone bead. Okay, this is really pretty. We've got to get close-ups of this.
Yeah, too.
Okay. Oh, you shocked me. Look at that bead. Oh my gosh, I love this.
Can you buy me one of those too?
You want a moonstone bead? This is so pretty.
Can you buy me one of those too?
Mate, we'll add it to your wish list, okay?
Okay.
Okay. If you follow my Pandora videos, you know I love the faceted Muranos, and this just kind of reminds me of this. This is, it's not a glass bead, it's moonstone, and it's so pretty. Definitely insert some close-ups of this. This is stunning, you guys. Oh, I love this. Emily, are you out there, fashion storyteller? You will love this. She's like Miss Moonstone to me. because she loves it so much. And I think her love for it actually like enhanced my love for it. So you have to check it out. Okay, the next beads that I got were the Dragonfly Muranos. Are they even called Muranos? I need to see. One is Dragonfly on silk bead, and the other is Dragonfly on garden bead. So they are glass. These are so pretty. So you have dragonflies kind of drawn on here. One of these has like a pretty light green core, and it's almost like a lime green, and the other one is white. These are so, I am like, you guys, these are some of the most beautiful glass beads I've ever seen, ever. Like, these are just so stunning. Okay, close-ups galore, I promise you. That's what I'll be showing you. Oh, I love these. Troll beads, good job. Good job. Okay. The last thing, I totally remember with this one. This is actually the thing that caught my eye in my email and made me want to even look at what the new collection was going to be. Oh, this is beautiful and way bigger than I would have ever expected it to be. This is called the Lush Meadow Pendant. So this pendant right here is heart with some like flower detailed stems, leaves. It's beautiful. It's big. I'm so excited to wear this. It's going to be such a statement piece. This is absolutely gorgeous. So happy with this. Can't wait to get it, or can't wait to wear it. I didn't get a chain from Trollbeads. I just thought I have quite a bit. I have quite a bit from Pandora, so do that. Why is this moving? All right, something's on here is moving. I'm not sure if that's normal. Not sure if that's normal. I'll figure it out. Love this. Okay, but I forgot. Oh, let's see. Oh, just kidding. This is the bead. Why is it stuck? Okay, I just almost freaked out that they left out a bead, but I think it is actually stuck to this pendant. And I have no idea how to get it off. What is the trick? Do I just pull? Yeah, oh yeah, I just pull. Okay, so now this is actually the pendant. And then the Lush Meadow bead, which kind of complements it, is the other thing that I got. So pretty. I love everything about this. I can't wait to decorate it. Again, my Trollbeads collection is really small, so I really appreciate as I get these things in small doses. The detail on here is so pretty. What do you guys think? Oh my goodness. All of this is so stunning. So stunning. So, that's actually it. This is everything from Trollbeads. I love these little pouches. They're so cute. That's it. That is my entire haul. I am excited to play with this stuff. I'm excited to throw that necklace on a pendant and see what that looks like, or throw that pendant on a necklace and see what that looks like. I'm really happy with it. So, comment of the day. What do I want to hear from you? I want to hear if you're a Trollbeads collector, and if you are, what pieces, or what do you like most about Trollbeads? I'm finding that their glass beads are like really good, like really hard for any other brand to compete with. They're just beautiful. But as always, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.